Can you give a brief introduction of yourself?
Hello po, ako po ay si Gursaran Parbansal. Ako po ay 19 years old at pinanganak po ako dito sa Pilipinas. Estudyante po sa Lyceum.
So where are you from originally?
I am actually from India, Punjab, India. I am a Punjabi.
Can you share with me why your parents moved to the Philippines?
They moved here, the Philippines, to earn some money, to earn some money for the living. And here in the Philippines, it is completely different than India. Since back then in India, there was a lot of difficulties in work. So that's why my parents preferred here in the Philippines.
What do you love about the Filipino people?
I will Tagalog this one.
Okay.
Nagustuhan ko kasi yung dito, yung ano bang pwede? Mabait naman sila. And lalo na encouraging sila, nagko-comfort din sila, supportive pa sa'yo. And yeah, nandyan din lagi para sa'yo.